Hey guys, I'm Martin from Super Mega Space Game Development Team. Our team consists of two guys. I am a designer and developer of the game, and my friend Alex is graphics guy. He's a really talented painter, so he makes graphics for the game. Yeah, I'm a web developer and I'm making websites and some database applications, and I'm using JavaScript on it. One day I was teaching my wife JavaScript coding. We made a very simple simulation game, physics simulation game, and there was a small spaceship flying around with arrow keys. And my wife told me, why don't you make a mobile game like that? And it was the ignition point of this project. So I was already wanting to make games, and it was my childhood dream actually. And I think everything come together and ignited the project. So I just started to making games after that. Today it's very easy to reach millions of people via internet. So it's really big chance to make things on this table and in my computer, very easy to design things. I can release and I can reach millions of people. Yes, there are a lot of games releasing every day, maybe every week, too much games around, but still there are new people the first time playing games, so you can always have new people to reach. It was JavaScript based, and because I'm a web developer and I'm really good at JavaScript, and I wanted to start making games right away, not just learning things and blah blah blah. So it's better for me because I want to see the progress right away. This is why I choose Cocos Creator in the first day. Second is it's free, and obviously performance. Physics engine is very performant. I'm making a game completely based on physics rules, and maybe hundreds of items are flying around the planet, and it works very good. It works well on maybe very low end devices also. Team should have a leader, and if you have a conflict, the leader should make the final decision. Having a decision is very important. If you cannot decide something, you cannot go anywhere. If you decide something wrong, you can go wrong direction and understand after several days you were in the wrong direction, and come back and you know the correct way to go. If you cannot have a decision, you cannot do anything. You cannot move anywhere. In our project, being a leader is all about motivating people and pushing people forward to make project growing. Someday I don't want to do anything, or my friend Alex doesn't want to do, maybe not motivated to do something, but if you are a leader, you should push everybody forward. Otherwise, if you don't go further every day, little steps, project will not be completed. The only way to complete a project is being consistent on moving forward. Yes, you can move forward very small steps, but it's very important the way should be forward. Yeah, being a team is very important, and being in a harmony is very important. But most important thing is each member of team should be necessary and very important for the team itself or project itself. For example, I'm a real good developer and designer, but I'm not a painter. I cannot make graphics from scratch. Yes, I can make 3D models and I can use some photo manipulation techniques, but I'm not a painter. And Alex is very talented guy about graphics and painting things and designing things as visually. So it's very important to have Alex in this project, and it's very important to have me in project to make this possible. If you are building a team, you should choose necessary people, or you can have a team. You should make a project that fits the talents inside the team. So this is how it works. I'm a very task-oriented guy, so I have to see the progress to sleep well. This is my personality, and probably this is important for leaders also. If you are not task-oriented or not self-managing, it's very hard to be a leader or be a team member. If you want to make a project, maybe for 6 months or 1 year or maybe longer, you should be task oriented and consistently move forward. At least you should have a leader can push everybody forward. It's good to start something early. So I'm watching videos from YouTube about making games. The videos are recorded 6 years ago, 10 years ago, 7 years ago, 5 years ago. I'm asking question myself why I didn't start making games 5 years ago, 10 years ago. So it's better to start something early because it's gonna take time, and if you want to have something valuable in your hands, you should start something early. You should start a project early. Don't lose any time and start making something. Start making simple games, very simple games. So we are working on Super Mega Space Game. I wish I have started maybe 5 years ago, so I could be making my third or fourth game now, and it should be much better than this. Of course, I would be more experienced about making games, and maybe I already earned money from games. So it's very important to start something early. I can recommend this other guys. Super Mega Space Game is available for Android, Windows, and browser. So you can download from supermegaspacegame.com, itch.io, and gamejolt.com. So it's available for Android now. I'm talking about the beta version of the game. Maybe after 2 months it's going to be available on Steam and other places.